outstanding performance in arts, outstanding performance in social sciences, Drum Award for Service Awardee. Virat Charilu S. with high honors. With due respect to our dignitaries on stage, our school principal, Mrs. Carmelita A. Suarez, to our PTA president, Mrs. Leonora Anino, and to the Punong Barangay of Kalinina Norte, Honorable Guillermo Barrete. Today is a special occasion for all of us. It is indeed my pleasure to say a few words of thanks and express my gratitude to all those who made this event happen. To all of the parents, teachers, family, friends, my fellow students, and honored guests, good afternoon to all of you. Junior high school, the happiest and most memorable year, yet a tough journey of a student's life. Many people would say, enjoy your high school life because it is the most unforgettable part of our school life. And I would agree with it. I mean, going to school is not just doing tasks, studying, school activities, and academic pursuits. It is also a time to create a lasting memories with our classmates, our friends, and to have fun along the way. It may not be perfect at all times. I'm telling you this because, just like anybody here, I have also experienced some troubles and some lessons, and ask my classmates or someone to help me. Kanabit ang may muntag, pwede magpatabang, makakasabot, or may muntag, hibaw ka ani? Something like that. For me to be able to understand, grow more, and strengthen my weaknesses. I believe that there's always room for improvement and learning. There might not be a perfect person, but I appreciate everyone who has been part of my academic journey. First, I want to extend my deepest thanks to our teachers. Thank you so much for your support and utmost dedication. Thank you for teaching us and for sharing your wisdom, expertise, and great encouragement. You have allowed us to experience real life as high school students, where sometimes we enjoy and celebrate achievements, but despite that, there are also times when we experience struggles, such as academic pressures. But you made us believe that it is not meant to break us, but to mold us into stronger individuals. You have challenged us to push our limits and provide the strength we needed to pursue our dreams. Ma'am, sir, you have not only imparted knowledge to us, but have also inspired us to pursue our dreams. Without your guidance, we would not have reached the point where we are today. This speech is meaningless to me without my utmost gratitude to the special someone who has been there for me through my highs and lows and has been supporting me every step of the way. Their immeasurable love and support, their sacrifices have shaped me into the person I am today. I'm so delighted to see that my parents are now joining me on this very special occasion, listening and watching me deliver the speech. Ma, I know that the word thank you is not enough for all the countless sacrifices you made for us and for always being there to be our guiding light. I love you and I hope I made you proud this day. To my batchmates and friends, I'm very thankful that I was able to spend the school year with you. It hurts to say goodbye, but I'm sure this goodbye is just to see you later. I will miss you so much and I'm grateful for having you as my classmates. Even though we weren't the best section, we were still happy spending our time with each other. We may have struggled in class a lot, but we managed to get through it all. Through all of our hardships. There are so many to mention, but to make a long story short, those memories we have will never be forgotten and will have a special place in our heart. Again, to all my close friends, supportive classmates, I can't mention you yet, each of you individually, but I appreciate you all. I'll be forever thankful for your existence in my life. I will never forget you. Thank you for the memories that I will cherish for a lifetime. Again, to my parents, our teachers, batchmates and friends, thank you so much for being part of my journey. I will not take more of your time as I know that you are looking forward to going home to spend time and celebrate with the rest of your family and loved ones. Just always remember, study hard but know your limits. Just do it little by little, learn a few new things every day and enjoy your journey. Eventually, you'll arrive at your destination without even noticing that you're already achieving your goals. Just be patient and have faith in you. On behalf of the Grayton students, I extend these words of gratitude not just for myself, but for my fellow completers as well. Congratulations to us completers, and to everyone else, may you have a bright day ahead and enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you for your touching message, Charilo.
These are the gifts for me.
Okay, requesting all the completers to stay there, and let's have our advisor to do the arrangement for the photo opportunity together with the faculty